A wrongful death attorney handles cases where someone's death resulted from another party's negligence or misconduct. These attorneys help the surviving family members or beneficiaries seek maximum compensation. Get a free case evaluation with a lawyer anytime, 24/7, at wrongfuldeathcenter.com or by calling 1-800-400-5050. Don't pay a penny upfront. Wrongful death attorney Jimmy has prepared helpful insights for getting through this difficult time. With over a decade of legal experience and having helped win millions in the wrongful death field, link in description. As we continue exploring the heartbreaking realm of wrongful death cases, we'll also reveal common ripoffs and pitfalls to steer clear of, as well as compensation battles that arise between heirs. Having had the privilege of speaking to hundreds of potential wrongful death clients, we know that unexpected deaths happen in a multitude of ways. Picture a healthcare system failing a patient, leading to a wrongful death due to medical malpractice, or losing a loved one due to excessive police brutality, a stark reminder of the need for more accountability within the justice system. Think about the grief for families dealing with slip and fall incidents, where a simple accident could turn into a fatal tragedy. Now, imagine those affected by reckless drunk drivers. A simple drink can lead to a brutally broken home. Suddenly, a world forever changed, where the happy laughter that once echoed through your home is replaced by a haunting silence. Every cherished moment now carries the weight of absence, and the pursuit of justice becomes a lifeline for those navigating the darkness of loss. No matter how your loved one passed away, a big part of your claim will revolve around establishing liability, negligence, or misconduct. Attorneys do this by meticulously unraveling the details, closely gathering and scrutinizing the pieces of possible evidence within the complex puzzle. Assembling this tapestry of evidence is not only about quantity but strategic selection, admissibility, and relevance of each piece, all in a time-sensitive fashion. First, police reports. These reports contain vital details about the incident, including eyewitness accounts and initial evaluations by law enforcement. A skilled attorney quickly contacts the police department to get important information, either by requesting the police report or speaking with detectives using the report number. Second, medical documents. In situations where a person passes away following an incident, medical facilities meticulously document and preserve extensive medical notes about the treatments and procedures. You want a lawyer who has a good grasp of medical terminology and hospital charts. Third, autopsy reports. In cases marked by unexpected or suspicious deaths, attorneys discover crucial insights into the cause and manner of death by requesting any available autopsy reports. Fourth, witness testimonies. Witness accounts offer a human perspective from people who saw or heard the events leading up to the wrongful death. Fifth, camera footage. Security cameras, traffic cameras, cell phones, dashcams, and other devices are used by lawyers to build a strong case and tell a compelling story. In today's world of advanced technology, including AI and deep fake tools, the reliability of visual evidence has come into question. So keeping a clear trail of where the footage came from is more important than ever. Sixth, expert testimonies. Professionals in fields such as scientific forensics or medicine may analyze intricate technical details, providing valuable insights. Seventh, documentation of safety violations. The attorney could work powerfully to potentially discover records about failed safety inspections, or prior negligent incidents or other evidence which could strengthen the claim. The lawyer's choice of approach to presenting the evidence can evoke emotions in a strongly compelling manner, or in a less impactful way. One such method that attorneys may choose to use involves hiring digital animators to reconstruct the sequence of events leading to the wrongful death, making it more emotionally impactful. While the lawyer can't turn back time or reverse the tragedy, his ultimate goal is to secure a financial settlement to ease the burden for those affected by it most. The amount of potential compensation could depend on many factors. First, medical expenses. This process involves gathering medical bills and consulting with experts when applicable. Second, funeral costs. The plaintiff could potentially also win compensation for reasonable burial and funeral expenses related to the wrongful death. Third, loss of income. This involves investigation into the deceased's income and financial contributions to you. This involves analyzing employment records, tax returns, and potential future earnings. Fourth, emotional damages. Emotional distress is a nuanced aspect examined in wrongful death cases. The impact on the plaintiff is considered, including loss of companionship, as well as love and consortium. This involves gathering testimonies, organizing relevant heartfelt photos and videos, consulting mental health professionals, and more. The aim is to present a compelling argument for fair compensation, covering both economic and non-economic losses. An attorney generally investigates the financial standing of the responsible parties to ascertain the feasibility of recovering compensation from any insurance policies or personal assets. For example, insurance limits may restrict the amount of compensation available. An attorney often also investigates the responsible party's properties, investments, and other financial holdings. You might be entitled to a large settlement, Visit wrongfuldeathcenter.com to learn more, or call 1-800-400-5050. Speak with top death attorney Jimmy Hanaie. Let's now discuss common ripoffs and risky pitfalls you need to be aware of during a wrongful death claim. First ripoff: unpersonalized legal advocacy. Beware of lawyers who treat your case as just another file on their overcrowded desk. Choose an attorney who genuinely believes in the merit of your case, values your unique circumstances, and is committed to fighting for the justice you personally deserve. Second, insurance misconception. Remember that insurance companies are not always on your side, so be careful when they ask you questions. And don't let them rush you into signing documents or accepting quick settlement offers. Third, beware of family advice. Family advice may lean strongly against legal action, driven by conflicts of interest or potential impacts on their own settlement compensation. To ensure an impartial perspective, it's advisable to seek guidance from a legal professional. Fourth, second opinions. If one lawyer said no, never give up. Different lawyers have different perspectives of the same facts. Fifth, delaying legal action. Do not delay, there are time limits for filing wrongful death claims. Sixth, verifying insurance claims. Do not blindly trust the liable party's assertion of having no insurance coverage. They may be lying or simply unaware. Don't take their word for it. Investigate the truth. Seventh, heirs, beware. Navigating the complex web of compensation battles. As we unveil the seventh ripoff, we delve into the intricate dynamics of determining who the beneficiaries are, and the pitfalls that arise among each person in their quest for rightful compensation. Whether you're a grieving spouse, anguished daughter, or stepson, heartbroken parent, a former flame with lingering ties, a fiancé or other dependent, you should be aware of these potential minefields and strategic advantages. If you're the surviving spouse or child, brace yourself for an emotional and financial battlefield. The struggle for compensation could set you against other beneficiaries with their own claims, be it parents seeking acknowledgement or other dependents eyeing a share. Legal policies differ, typically prioritizing the emotional loss experienced by spouses and children. However, be vigilant, the dynamics can shift, and you might find yourself entangled in negotiations. Utilize legal power to get paid what's rightfully yours. For parents, the path is full of emotional landmines. The legal standing of parents competing against surviving spouses and children is a tricky tightrope walk. Navigating this delicate death dance demands an acute understanding of legal considerations and the lingering emotional turmoil if family ties collide. Cautionary note: some jurisdictions might emphasize financial dependence, asking parents to prove that they were being financially supported by the deceased. In other situations, your standing could hinge on the nature of your past relationship. Former spouses, even if already divorced or separated, often have the right to light the flames of legal battle. If you're a former spouse, be ready for gaps. Shared financial responsibilities or joint obligations might show necessary connection, but be cautious. Emotions run high during legal proceedings, so strategically protect all your interests while navigating the storm of past relationships. Next, beyond immediate family, other dependents, such as stepchildren, and individuals financially tied to the deceased, might have valid rights too. Policies governing insurance claims scrutinize financial ties and dependencies. When insurance proceeds are in play, heirs can resemble gladiators in a fierce arena. No matter your connection to the deceased, watch for cunning moves by others aiming to swiftly snatch a lion's share of the compensation. But your understanding of financial contributions and dependency relationships might be your shield for a ruthless competition. Additionally, legal systems often provide a structured order, dictating who receives compensation in wrongful death cases, serving as a guiding light through the complexities of heirship disputes. This aligns with the broader policy goal of prioritizing those most impacted by the loss. Armed with knowledge, you can transform the beneficiary battlefield into a realm where fairness hopefully prevails, and rightful compensation has a strong chance. Your experiences hold immense power. Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below, and connect with others in similar situations. Together, let's build a supportive community. Join our channel dedicated to wrongful death and grief. Subscribe for in-depth valuable content for free now.